Balibago kawalan, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Angeles City. And syempre, we will announce something open ngayon.
Ngayong vlog na to guys, we would like to announce that Pints and Pints has reopened. Yun. So lahat po ng mga previous customers ng Pints and Pints nag-open na po sila ulit.
Yes, so same spot. So tingnan natin kung ano mga bagong in-offer nila. And syempre, titikman na rin natin.
And guys, samahan niyo po kami. So tara, let's go!
Nung na-acquire namin itong Pints and Pints, masayang-masaya kami dahil alam naman namin na noon pa man sikat na itong lugar na to. So kung ano man yung dinatnan before ng mga previous owner ng Pints and Pints, itatry namin na higitan para mas mag-enjoy ang mga magiging parokyano pa ng lugar na to. So since under new ownership ang Pints and Pints, it will be really totally different from the previous food, previous management, previous drinks. It's better.
So again guys, thank you so much for being with us. Kasama natin ngayon si Chef Jack to introduce na rin yung mga inihanda niya. Actually, siya mismo yung nagluto nito. Nakita natin earlier paano niya pin-prepare to. Start with your, sa harapan niyo, ma'am.
Our tuna tartar.
Okay.
It has prawn crackers, tobiko.
Yes. Ito po ay sa mga
chicken
appetizers.
skin. Yes,
Chicken
Cajun
skin.
flavor. Our chicken roulade, it has truffle mashed potato, truffle cream sauce, and garlic French beans. Yeah.
Ito, yung mga aphrodisiac appetizer niyo, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Our baked aklan fresh oyster.
Oh, for our skewers.
Our skewers on the plate. We have
Yakitori style, okay.
But we infuse other flavors also. We have the chicken liver,
This.
our leg fillet, and then the gizzards. Our pasta negra, it has salted cream sauce, and then topped with different seafoods and
Yes.
katsuboshi and fried basil. Italian pork belly. Yes. Our Norwegian baked salmon.
Wow. Ma'am, this is, medyo malaki siya. What do we call this? Ano to?
Our lamb shank. Yeah.
Lamb shank.
Cumin-scented tomato-based sauce.
Yes.
It has creamy white sauce on top, and then fresh cilantros and arugula and cherry tomatoes.
So when you eat it, ano yung parang
Para siyang
pita bread?
Yes, i-wrap mo siya.
May,
Goes along the way.
somewhat shawarma, ganun.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. And for your pizza,
Our truffle panitsa. It
panitsa.
has homemade truffle cream sauce. Our garlic parmesan corn ribs.
Yes.
Para siyang corn on the cob talaga. Na usually they serve it like the whole
Yes,
thing.
yes.
And then we cut it. So and lastly our nacho supreme. Yes, our homemade cheese.
Binigyan namin ng mga acoustic performances during weekends. Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And of course, during midnight, meron pa rin mga DJ. So, yung mga party people, pwede silang pumunta rito.
Fresh aklan shell. Ooh. Fresh nga. Ooh. Lambot. Tapos, and the way na kainin daw to, ibabalot natin dito. So, ayan. Try natin ibalot. Okay. Balot natin. And that's it.
Sa lahat ng mga nakakaalam ng Pints and Pints and mga hindi pa nakakaalam, if you want to see feel, taste, experience the difference, come to the newly opened Pints and Pints, Angeles City.
Alright, so ayun nga guys, that was our announcement for this vlog.
Yes.
Pints and Pints has finally reopened, bro.
Siyempre sa mga nakakamiss and siyempre yung mga dati mga pupunta dito, ngayon mapupunta nyo na ulit. Ngayon naging better at the same time yung mga
Yeah.
cocktails nila, talagang nag-improve.
Right. And guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys!